EnCycLed Erasmus Plus project platform. This is dedicated to educators first and foremost, and it includes a number of educational modules, career and study pathways guides, other various educational resources, as well as links to other various sources of information on cybersecurity and a glossary of terms used across the modules, as well as in various other relevant articles. Now, the educators are indeed the primary target, and they will be able to use all these materials and facilities offered by the platform. However, sometimes they may be also interested to share the platform and specific resources available in it to their students so that these can read through them or play the specific games or do the different other online quizzes and so on and so forth in their own time. Now, we'll show you first this section regarding the modules. Within this section, you have access to 5 different educational modules that have been developed by the EnCycled team. Within each module, you are having a number of subsections, including different materials part of this module. First of all, the materials have been developed for 2 main age groups. One being 15 to 18 years old students, and another one 10 to 14, so slightly younger students. The materials presented under the overview section are basically targeted to educators and hence are being useful notwithstanding which of the 2 target groups are being envisaged to be used with. In this overview section, mostly you are going to see an outline of the module, an introduction, further guidance for the teachers, also a parental letter, as well as various other information regarding supplementary literature that you could access. All this information is available in English, German, Greek, Ukrainian, and Maltese. These languages, the materials in all these different languages, are available across the different subsections. So besides the overview, under the core materials, you can find the very specific materials that you can use for the delivery of the education exercise. Typically, you would have some narrative slides, or in another module you have a comic, in another one you have a game, and so on and so forth. You will have also a home assignment for the students, as well as a final quiz. Besides these core materials, under the subsection resources, you can find a number of other teaching aids. It could be videos, podcasts, different other articles that ultimately would support you and also your students in better understanding the different concepts being imparted with them within a particular module. Under the subsection literature, there is even further additional information, typically in the form of books or publications or journal articles that are typically intended to the educators that would like to further enhance their knowledge about this topic. Besides this, you can see also and find a glossary section in which the different terms used within the modules are being explained separately, and you also are able to download the explanation of that term in the different languages in the format of a PDF document so that you can make it available to students in that way. These terms are also underlined in the different parts and text of the modules so that whilst hovering over it with a mouse, you can click and already get the information, the details about that particular term that is further available under the glossary. I hope that you will find the navigation through the module useful. They all follow the same pathway. Thank you.